The New Zealand government has committed funding over the next decade to researching our country's most pressing problems. The national science challenges are cross-disciplinary, mission-led programs. In order to solve these complex problems, researchers across the country need to collaborate and share their information better than ever before. There is a useful means of helping researchers find, understand, and use each other's data. Metadata. Metadata is data about your data. The great thing about metadata is that it can make data stored across many locations centrally searchable without needing to create large data repositories and storage structures. There are several types of metadata. Descriptive metadata can tell you information about a resource, such as where it was collected, how it was collected, and for what purpose. Technical metadata tells you things like the instruments used, file formats, or definitions of variables. Access and rights metadata is handy for data that you plan to share. It defines who is allowed to view the data and what they can do with it. Metadata is a key tool in science communication and collaboration. When you record metadata, you are saying to prospective users, here is what you need to know about these data. You can find more information to help you get started in the short guides on our website.